Guess what? I finally opened it. Oh, we praise the living God. Eh? We really praise and serve a living God. So this is aloe vera and olive oil. And we need to put this in our hair. Because the combination is just sick. It just... Okay, Google. Pause. So the combination is just sick. Like, your hair comes out so soft. Like, you need to trust me on this, okay? I've done this before. And it works all the time. Aloe vera and olive oil. And then just let it marinate. So what I'm going to do is just pour it on this section. And then leave some for the other side. But I'm going to do this slowly because we're going to make a mess. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. You guys see me? Yo! There you go. Should we dip the ends? Dip, dip. Look at that beauty. Oh God. That looks... Oh shit, we're tangled. We're tangled. We're tangled. No, we're not. Okay. Yeah. Let's put that in there. Oh, guys, this is so messy. I would say do this in the bathroom, but I'm doing it in the kitchen because I can't be asked. Well, it's a mess anyway. I'm gonna have to mop the kitchen, but make sure you do it. Stay in the bathroom. I need to leave some for the other side. Yeah, like that. So I do this all the time and it makes my hair so soft after washing it. Like, it will be so soft, like baby's hair. So obviously, because the aloe is like a juice, it's gonna be leaking all over with the cling film and all that. It's gonna be leaking. But if you've got plastic bonnet or whatever, you put that on your head so it doesn't leak all over your t-shirt. That's why I'm wearing a black t-shirt, because it's so messy. Yeah. Okay, so we're looking like this at the moment. Okay, I mean, we're drenched in oil and aloe vera. So yeah. Whoa. You know, I will have some in here in the middle, but I ain't got much left. Need to do the other side first. We'll come back if there's more, but I doubt it. Usually how I do it, I slice the aloe in the middle and then apply it like as if I'm rubbing in soap into my hair, if you know what I mean. But today I thought